my channel Utsav & Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. I know I promised you guys that I will show my Tinkerbell painting as my next video, but it is still not done yet. I have been trying my best to keep working on it, and after I'm done with this video, I'm definitely going to keep on working with it. So my next video is definitely will be the Tinkerbell video, and I hope you guys are as excited about it as I am. If you haven't seen the sneak peek of that video, I will leave the link to my last video, the peacock. It was the peacock, peacock diamond painting video that I got from Amazon. That was my anniversary gift, and I will have the link in the description below. And I have my Tinkerbell sneak peek on there if you guys want to check it out. So so again, I'm doing another haul video. It's not like a big haul, but I ordered something from Poster Lol, and it's been a very like everybody is buying from Poster Lol, and I thought, why not give it a try and see how it is and how if it works for me or what the quality is for myself. So I ordered it. They were having a promotion where you buy one item and you get, they had 4 paintings for free. They were small, they were like really small, 20 by 20, but when I ordered, I got 3 free paintings, and one of them was a bigger painting. So let me jump into it and I'll show you which ones were free and then which one I bought. So the first one I'll show you, I already opened it because I was not sure what package came, so I just had a sneak peek. I didn't look into it much, but when I saw this, I knew it was Poster Lol. So the first painting, well, it was my mistake, it was not their mistake. I didn't read properly that it was not a full drill. It was a half drill diamond painting, and where is the bag? Here I have. And it's a rabbit right here, and I really like the way this is in a plastic. It's a transparent cover and not the opaque cover, because then I can really show you the diamonds. So right here, this is how the painting looks like, and I just have to do the rabbit itself right here. Let me see if it can come up completely on the video. Yep, so this is how it looks like. It is really cute. It is really bright painting, but it only has 9 colors right here, which I'm okay with. It's a small drill. I can do it really quickly, and it will give me something to break away from all the bigger paintings that I have ordered. Let's start with the tools. It also comes with a boat, a sheet of wax, and a single pick pen. So that's normal. It doesn't come with any extra baggies, so but that's okay. I really don't care about the baggies, like you guys know. And it's a round drill painting. I'm not sure if I got all of them round drill, but I think they're all round drill if I'm not wrong. And then here are, let me just put this properly and safely. Here are all the round drills. If you can see, they're really shiny and really small and cute, and they are really good quality. I can see from the just from the bag itself, I can look at it and see it's good quality. There's no broken ones, and sometimes you get those little chips of diamonds. It's not even like that. It's really good quality, and I'm really happy with this kit. And I know now when on YouTube everybody say that Poster Lol is a good company to get the diamond paintings from, and I really understand, because the quality of the painting itself, the canvas itself, is really good and thick. It is not really like thin or something. Let me just check how the glue on the canvas is. I'm just going to do that for one. I'm not going to peel up all of them, but if you can see, the glue is really good. It took a while to peel off, but yeah, it is really good. You can see it really shine on the painting, which is really good. So it has a thick layer of glue on it. That means my rhinestones will stick properly, and that's a good sign. So that was the first painting, and this is the one that I purchased, and I paid $8.99. It was on sale, and I paid $8.99 for this one. So yeah, this was $8.99, and this is the only painting out of all 4 I paid for. And then I got 3 paintings free, which was cool. I was not expecting them to send me 3 paintings. I was expecting them to say, hey, it's only 1 free painting, choose one from the others. So at the day when I ordered, they had 4 free paintings, and the one and now they only have 2 paintings free. If you want to go to posterlol.com and look for yourself, I will have the link to Posterlol down in the description below. And now they only have 2 paintings for free if you order anything. But when I ordered these, it was 4 paintings, and I bought 2 out of those 4 paintings, and the third one that I got for free, I'm going to tell you, I got really lucky. But before I get to those, they did send me this coupon, I think. Yeah, they sent me this coupon, and it is 25% off discount on my next purchase. So I'm really excited to use this one and see if I can order something else. Although it took about 20 days to get here. I ordered June 27th, and it came on it came July 18th actually. So anyways, moving on further, this is my first free painting that I got in the kit, and it is like I said, it's really small. It's only 20 by 20, and which is okay. And I really fell in love with this. It's a tiger, and it's a full drill painting, so it is really cute. It has 12 colors right here, and this is how the painting looks like. If it's picking up, yep, I don't think it's picking up that much, but yeah, this is a full drill painting. It's really small. It's 20 by 20, and this was the free painting. This was one of the free paintings that they were giving that day out of the 4 that I got. And then the same with this one, it has a single pig pen, a sheet of wax, and a boat. And then they sent all these colors in this. I'm not going to open the package. You already know it's round drill again, and you already know the quality. I'm really impressed. Even this one has really high quality. I can look from the bag itself. So that's my second painting. Then the third painting that I got is another 20 by 20. Really happy and excited. Really happy and excited about this. Sorry, I got distracted by something. Yeah, so this is my second painting right here. And it is again a round drill painting. And oh, my phone's buzzing. That's okay though. Here, and this one is a dog. I don't know if this photo, okay, right here, the photo is right here, and then it has 15 colors. So even though it is a small painting, it does have a lot of color and a lot of details, and I can already pick it up here, and I'm really excited to do it. So really looking forward to doing it. Again, in this kit I have the single pen, sheet of wax, and a boat right here. And then this one has issues. If you let me show you guys this one. Where is it? Okay, so these ones, the diamonds have leaked through it. Especially the black one. Yeah, the black ones have leaked through, and they have mixed in with other colors. So because they are already in the in the resealable baggies right here, and they are round drill, but they have leaked from the packages, which is, I mean, it's not that much damage done, so I'm still going to be okay with it. As long as I can differentiate the color, I should be fine. So that's my second free kit out of the 4 paintings that they had on free for that day when I ordered. So the other two paintings I did not order, and one of them they are still giving it online for free if you purchase anything from them, any other painting from them. But the fourth one that they had for free, I completely forgot what it was. It was either an elephant or a horse. I'm not sure 100%, but that was another of the two more of the paintings. And then this is my third free painting. They said you can buy one free painting, but they gave me all three free with the purchase of that one rabbit painting, which I paid $8.99 and no shipping cost to me. So I think with tax it might be about $9, but that's what I paid, and I'm really happy. And this is not even the small 20 by 20. It is a big painting, and it's a full drill. It is actually 40 by 30, which is cool. I mean, that's a big painting. 40 by 30 for free. And so what happened was, when I was trying to buy the paintings and I was trying to look for what I want, I saw that this was for free. So I put it in my cart, and then I paid for it. I mean, then I just put it in my cart, bought the rabbit one, and then it was done, and they gave me for free. And then 2 minutes later, when I go ahead and check again for the same painting to be free, it said it'll cost me $8.99. So maybe there was a glitch in the system and it took it for that moment, or I don't know what happened, or they opened the window for that few minutes or an hour or so, and I got it. But I was looking at the right time, and I got this 40 by 30 painting for free, and I'm really excited about it. I'm like, painting, it's not small. 40 by 30 is big, and I'm really happy with it. And it has 31 colors, if you can see right here. So it has 31 colors, and it is a scenery and some water and some swans and stuff, and it looks pretty cool. I know it's not as much detailed as some of the paintings we get, but I am really excited. This is a huge painting, and I am really happy with what they sent me. I'm really happy with Poster Law. Okay, sorry. Then again with this, they sent me both a sheet of wax and a single pen pick too. And then these are all my colors, and these haven't mixed in because they are in our regular bags and they are not in the resealable bags. So these are good, and these are round drill too. So really happy. Let me know in the comments below if you have purchased and got any items free from Poster Law, because they are still doing the free event, and I will leave the link to Poster Law in the description below. I'm really happy with how all the paintings turned up, and they did actually send me three free paintings, which was good. For $8.99 4 paintings, that is a good price, and I'm really happy with them. And I'm really happy with their with them. My mom kept asking me if for sure they're going to send 4 paintings, or they're just going to send 3. I'm like, I don't know, Mom. She was like, they're going to only send us 2, but I'm like, I'm not sure, Mom, if they're going to send all 4, or they're just going to give me 1 free of their choice. But I'm really happy that they sent me all 4. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have purchased from Poster Law before, leave me in the comments below which painting did you purchase, and did you get the free paintings, that promotion that they are doing on their website. Also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you would like to see more hauls. I know definitely there will be more hauls because I have more paintings on order. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button if you haven't already done so, to stay in the loop for every new videos that I post. Oh god, this is not even wanting to go in the bag. I'll fix it later. So yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.